Hello, today is November 12th. It's going to be lesson 8, how much for 1. Those are the learning targets. That's the vocabulary, so please write that down. When you talk about when you go to places and like your parents when they go to a hotel, they want to know like the rate of the hotel. They want to know how much it is. So what's the rate? So when they say that they're asking like how much it is per night. But rate can be like how much per minute, how much per week, how much per month, even per year. All right. But when we're talking about like staying at a hotel, it's usually like per night, the rate. So when you're done writing this down, make sure you have everything. Make sure you write it in your table of contents. I went over this with the class today because the students that submitted it, some of them had some really crazy answers. So I just wanted to go over this. Honey batches are made with 12 cups of red paint. So you look at the red paint here, 12 cups of red paint. First off, how did I get the 3, 2, 6, 4? From here. See, 3 to 2, 3 to 2. So this is 3 to 2, 6 to 4, 9 to 6, 12 to 8. You're just basically adding. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. That's all you're doing. Right, so here's 12 cups of red paint. How many batches then? Right, so the answer is 4. On this one, how many batches are made with 6 cups of red paint? Blue paint, sorry. So 6 blue right here. And then take a look. How many batches? Right, 3. Okay? On this, you're supposed to circle all the statement that expresses ratio. So it's 3 pizzas for every 7 kids. 7 kids, right here. 3 pizzas right here. So it makes sense. So circle that. The ratio of pizzas to kids is 3 to 7. 3 pizzas? Yes. 7 kids? Yes. So we circle it right here. The ratio of kids to pizzas is 3 to 7. Are there 3 kids? Nope. Are there 7 pizzas? Nope. So we don't circle that. The ratio of pizzas to kids is 7 to 3. Are there 7 pizzas? No. Are there 3 kids? No. So we don't circle that. For every 7 kids, are there 3 pizzas? 7 kids? Yes. 3 pizzas? Yes. So that's why we circle this. A, B, and E. Number 5. Draw a parallelogram that's not a rectangle. That's an area of 24 square units. So this is a parallelogram, 6 and 4. You know, some of your classmates, they drew this. How is that a parallelogram? That's not a parallelogram. Some of your classmates even drew this. All right, so that's not a parallelogram, okay? On B, remember, we have to divide by 2. 6 times 4 is 24, yes. But you have to divide by 2 because the square units of this is actually 12 square units. What are they asking for? 24. So you're gonna have to make up one that's what? Make a height of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Right? So this is 6 and 8. So 6 times 8 divided by 2 now is 24. All right? So if you submitted this and you didn't get 3 points and you want to resubmit it, you can. If you haven't done it yet, you need to make sure you submit the lesson 6. You won't get full credit because Ms. Gia kind of told you all the answers, but at least you get some points. And then we're going to do the student task statements for lesson 8. So 8.2. All right. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. You can use the applet to help you right here. You can use the applet to help you. So you just type in what they're asking for. So avocados is $8 is 4, so 8 to 4. And then you can figure this out. You can change the tick marks around to help you. Okay, now I did it the old school way to the rest of your classmates. So let me show you really fast. Let me see where it is. All right. So go back and try to do 1, 2, and 3, and then come back to this to get the answers. How much do 16 avocados cost? All right. So if 8 of them cost $4, and we want to know how much 16 is, wouldn't we have to multiply this by 2? So 4 times 2 is what? So it costs $8. How much do 20 of them cost? Same thing. If we change this to 20, if we change this to 20, now we can cross multiply. 4 times 20 is 8, right? 4 times 20 is 8. 80, I mean. So what's 80 divided by 10? What's 80 divided by, I'm sorry, 4 times 20 is 80. What's 80 divided by 8? $10. So that's B. How much do 9 avocados cost? So they're all 50 cents. Okay, so 50 cents times 9 is $4.50. On 2A, if it's 12 large bottles and it costs $9, how many bottles can you buy for $3? Well, you can buy 4, because 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. What's the cost per bottle? 75 cents, because I divided 4 into $3. So if it costs 75 cents, what's 75 cents times 7? $5.25. 3. If a 10-pound sack of flour costs $8, so that's why I have 10 to 8. How much does 40 pounds of flour cost? So 40 here. 10 times what is 40? 4. What's 8 times 4? 32. And then how much was the cost per pound? So how much is it for 1 pound? So I have to divide 8 into 10, then I get $1.25. All right. There's no practice problems tonight for homework. We're gonna finish lesson 8 tomorrow. But what you do have to do is you have to do this brain dump, the Paleolithic Age. I asked you to read chapter 1, lesson 2 in social studies. So make sure that you read that, and then you're gonna do a brain dump. Tell me everything you remember from the reading, and then turn it in. All right. So that's your homework. And then also accountable talks tomorrow. All right. Accountable talks. This brain dump. If you haven't turned in lesson 6 yet of the practice problems, make sure you do that. All right. Have a good day. I'll see you later.